Have you ever noticed how some pizza places have logos you can spot from a mile away? Well, that's no coincidence. It's what you call powerful branding. You heard that right. Your logo isn't just an image. In fact, it's your brand identity, because it's what sticks in people's minds long after they're finished with their last slice of pizza. And without strong branding, your product might just get lost in the crowd. That's the reason why today's video is a must-watch. Hi everyone, welcome back to Dian Studio. I'm Dian, your other go-to expert for all typefaces and designs. Today, we're diving into a super fun topic: designing a fast food pizza brand logo. Excited? I know I am. So let's jump right in and start looking for design inspiration. Okay, let's look for some design inspiration first. Then we'll move on to creating the mood board. As we work on a pizza branding today, I'm thinking about combining hand-drawn illustration with logo type or lettermark. Anyway, for the concept, we'll focus on making the hand-drawn illustration stand out. Oh, and we add some more elements such as doodling. These doodles will provide additional aesthetic value and boost the overall identity. And the illustration will most likely be like this, because I think the anatomy seems distinct and cute with its uneven elements proportion. Let's now prepare the mood board. We will be using a 1500 by 1000 pixel artboard. Next, we put some references that we've collected before. For the logo concept, let's choose something fun. We'll be combining illustration with a lettermark or logo type. So, choosing some visual elements that are eye-catching but still readable is important here. The illustration is made in two styles, and those are solid parts and one with an outline only. This will make the logo look dynamic and appealing. For the color selection, we choose a palette with warm tones like red and yellow, along with neutral colors like white and black. Next, we will select a retro display font with fun and curved characteristics as our typeface or font of choice. Fonts like this give a playful impression that is suitable for pizza branding. You can download fonts in this style at the website natatype.com. The first one we use is Mighty Party. This font has a bold yet cheerful character. The second one is Mighty Monday font. Personally, this is my favorite font for creating food branding. Anyway, for other references, you can check out our modern retro font bundle that is perfect for retro designs like this. And then, let's insert the Mighty Monday font in our mood board. The third font is Bright Flake. This font is also included in the bundle and has a more casual yet firm look. And the last font is Sunday Pop Ice, which has a strong display character. After that, let's search for some references on the logo application on media like the pizza boxes. For your information, it's important to know how your logo looks on the packaging to ensure its effectiveness. We can also make some stickers for additional branding, and we can attach them to the boxes or make it as merchandise. We can apply this design to several other media such as aprons, paper bags, or even restaurant napkins. This all strengthens the overall branding. Lastly, we save it with the name Moodboard. Now, it's time for the real tutorial. Here, I've prepared a square artboard first, and then we put the illustration that's been made previously. Position it in the center and lock the graphic. We will be using a pen tool to the next step. Switch to stroke mode to make it easier when creating the outline. Let's set the weight of the stroke to 6. We'll start with outlining the head and the face first. By the way, we can also use a stylus pen to this. That will make the style look more hand-drawn. However, as we use a pen tool and mouse, it might look different, but that's okay. Now, it's time to outline the body part of the illustration. Oh, before I forget about something simple but also very important, let me tell you. When doing outline, wait until you see the word intersect, so that when we use the shape builder tool later, the lines are all well connected. We're almost done with the outline. As for the holes here, we will be using an ellipse tool instead to make it easier. Let's not forget to uncheck the scale strokes and effects here so that when we scale it, the size won't change. Now, let's remove the overlapping parts and make it neater like this. Alright, the outlining part has finished. Now, it's time to go to the part that will be filled with colors, starting from the hair and continuing to the shoe parts. It is essential that we pay attention to the details to make our logo more appealing. And it's done! After that, let's not forget to group all the elements here, and then we'd erase the sketch. Alright, now that it's all clean, we're ready for the next step. Before we proceed, let's check the scale, strokes, and effects section again so that when the logo is enlarged or reduced, all elements remain proportional. This is an important tip that should always be remembered in logo design. Continuing on, we start to color the logo with the colors from our color palette. First, we create the background in white. This color will serve as a neutral canvas for the logo, allowing other elements to stand out. For the main illustration, we chose the color red, as red can stimulate appetite and is often associated with food. The color red also helps the logo stand out more. The next thing to do is to add the logo type. For the font, we will be choosing one of our fonts in the Moodboard, Mighty Monday. This font has a bold and playful character, perfect for pizza or food branding. Change the color to red. And now we name the brand Crusty Cheese. By the way, the Mighty Monday font has many alternates that we can utilize. Check out these options. This makes it possible for us to make a distinctive logo. Let's also add a small copyright symbol here. It makes the brand appear more professional. Let's make the secondary logo next. We will make the text horizontal. This is useful when the logo is applied to smaller or simpler media later on. After that, let's try to arrange the logo type with the mascot we have created. The combination of illustration and text must appear harmonious. And don't forget to add an alternative logo type so that we can have options to choose from. The look will more likely be like this. What do you think? Looking cool, isn't it? Next, we will create some color variations for this logo. They can be used in different media, including packaging or merchandise. Also, don't forget to alternate the colors for the illustration. This is crucial for adaptability in a variety of media. And last but not least, let's save it with an appropriate file name. And now our logo is ready to be used. There you go! Our pizza brand logo in all its delicious glory. As you can see, the mascot gives it a personality and a fun, approachable vibe to the brand, while the bold font makes it easily readable and stand out. It's perfect for a fast-paced restaurant, pizza boxes, and delivery packaging. Now, what do you think? Let me know by commenting down below. Also, if you have any requests for future design tutorials, just drop your suggestions. If you like this type of video, we've also made another tutorial about logo and branding. Might as well check this out. And, as usual, leave a like, subscribe to us, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye!